Amahanga gamunana gari mu Uganda, Kenya, Mozambique, Nigeria, South Africa, Tanzania, Zambia hamwe na Zimbabwe kandi okuchondozo kuno kuija kumara emyaka 5 aho ihanga lya South Africa niryo rirayebembera kandi mu kuchondozo.
So that this work will not be successful unless we have the partnerships, and that is why in Uganda we are going to work very collaboratively between the Joint Clinical Research Center and Makerere University Water Reed Project. But we are also working with scientists across the other 8 countries that I already mentioned, but also international scientists that are already ahead of us in the research and development. So this is a partnership, and we are looking forward to contributing to science in the world.
Government ya America okurabira mu mukagugwa United States Agency for International Development yahereze kwayo grant ya miliyoni 85 ezirakoresebwa amahanga munano kuchondoza omukurondo mubazi gwa siriimu kandi Uganda ne mu mahangaga.
However, we have to recognize this is not a small task. Everyone across the world has been looking for HIV prevention vaccines for a long time, and we do not have an effective vaccine now. Now it is up to us as African scientists to find a solution for an African problem.
Okurugera habakuru ku Ministry y'Amagara binamasikongo kuchondozo kuno kuija kwa nebyana birungi eshigenderere kumara hindwara ya siriimu muri Africa.
So you can look at that translates almost 1,000 cases per week. Though the rates have come down, but you can see that that's really the numbers, because if you don't turn off the tap, then you cannot think of ending HIV by 2030. So we are looking at this as one of the best solutions for HIV for addressing this pandemic, which has been for us for over a long time. And it will have a biggest impact in eradication and control of infectious disease as one of those in the history of mankind.
Aho mu Uganda, Joint Clinical Research Center hamwe na Makerere University Water Reed Project nibo barayebembera kuchondozo ku okuronda omubazi gwa siriimu.
So we want really to thank USAID for this grant of the HIV vaccine research and development, as you have heard, amounting to United States $645 million, which definitely will be spread over the 8 countries. I want to congratulate the 2 institutions, the Joint Clinical Research and Makerere Water Reed Project, for really putting up this competitive bid. And I'm sure that if they did not, there are many institutions which could have probably applied, but you are successful.
Obwensiyonero kurwano kumaraho siriimu mu mwaka gw'2030 okukora omubazi gwa siriimu kibasa kuretera ekigendero rw'ekyahikera.